Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are finally getting the charger installed. So we have chosen the Hypervolt, so that is the one we're going to install today. I have Benson here, who is my superstar installer today, from Power Solutions.
How you doing?
So he's our engineer who's going to be fitting it today. So we're just going to show you some of the process. We've decided it's going to go right there near the garage. Should be quite a simple installation, and it's going to go on the left hand side because the Tesla charging point is on the left. So I hope you guys enjoy while we get this installed. So Benson, what do you think about this charger then? What's your views on the Hypervolt?
I think it's the best on the market. I'm not just saying that because I can install all chargers on the market, but they really do help us out in terms of installation. Yeah. Really simple install. They have all the infrastructure needed. Yeah. No need for the pen fault detection.
Yeah, that's right. It's a big thing.
Yeah. So it's all built in. They're getting really smart as well.
So
they'll be able to do via their network.
So
watch out for them.
Yeah.
They're going to be taking over the market.
I know. The thing is, I've seen some reviews now of failures with some of the other brands that were very popular. Yeah. So I think so far their reliability, from what I've read, has been fantastic, and their customer support is really good.
Yeah.
They're really responsive.
Yeah. Very responsive.
Yeah.
As you will, a few hiccups on a few installations. Yeah. But they're always on the phone, ready to react. So that's why I really like them. Yeah, no, sounds good. Well, we're looking forward to trying it out and having a home charger finally. Not doing the trickle charger, but having something that charges a little bit of speed. Yeah, good. All right, we got a hole there ready for. So that's where the charger. What height does it need to be, Benson? Minimum 750. Highest 1.2.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. So we may have to trim a bit of that hedge, that plant, but we'll sort that out for sure. Making good progress though. So have you spoken to the Hypervolt people directly?
Yeah. They get in direct contact with me.
Yeah.
For any London installations.
That's good. Well, they were saying you were the man.
And I hope to keep them happy.
Yeah. But honestly, the reviews they're getting everywhere I've seen is so positive.
Yeah, it will be.
And people have really criticised the Zappi recently, that they are failing. Or one engineer who's very prominent on YouTube, they used to recommend them, like there was their default, and they've had 8 failures and they've stopped recommending it now, and they're fully Hypervolt is their preferred choice, unless you want unless you want like premium, then you're like going into the Anderson selection. that's the template. Does that come with it, or is that?
They usually send these templates with it.
Yeah.
So it's just a case of marking your 4 holes.
Yep.
Drill and fix.
That's great. Makes your life easier, doesn't it? Okay, so what do you think of this charger then? You don't know yet. You haven't it hasn't been installed yet, but the cabling's in. It's a very neat job that Benson's done. I'm so pleased with the way his workmanship is fantastic.
Have you just chopped my plant?
We've had to, yes, to make room for the charger.
Oh no, Bobby, look, the plant.
So in the final connection
I can't
points.
see it. I don't know where it is.
Oh yeah. It's invisible. Didn't you know it's there? I see it. It's a special one.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we have the unit out. It's quite a small box actually. I'm surprised how small it is.
When you put the cover on.
Yeah. The actual main box is really small. Wow, it's so compact. This is the brains, this is the inside of the Hypervolt. Really great design. I think that's the Pi computer there. Nice. Getting a bit late now, but we're getting there. Looking good. Final stages.
Do the rest in the morning.
Yep. But the unit is in. That's the main thing, Benson. You've done a fab job. Looking good. Looking good. I just can't wait to see when the light goes on. Okay, can you see there's a blue light on? That means we have power. Okay, so I assume it's going to go green when we adopt it.
It will go green when you're charging.
Oh, okay. So will it stay blue even when it's adopted, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, blue looks cool. So we're going to have to give this a whirl in a sec. So Benson, that was a fantastic job. It's such a neat job you've done. The charger looks fantastic. So thank you so much, especially for coming in late at night to do it just before one of our trips. So really appreciate it. So Benson, tell everyone how they can contact you, because you've done a fantastic job. People might be interested in contacting you to do theirs.
So you can contact us on our Instagram page at Power Solutions, and you can also contact us by email info@power solutions SOLUTIONS services SERVICES.com.
Fantastic. Okay, well guys, I'm going to put the link in the description anyway, and I'll flash it up on the screen as well. So Benson, again, thank you so much.
No problem.
Great job. Can't wait to test this out and use it. It's gone a bit dark here now, so what we'll do is we'll come back in the morning and we'll show you what this charger's like.
Brilliant. Hope
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
And today we're going on another road trip. So we're going off to Celtic Manor up in Wales.